Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. It's Thursday, Semiconductor Thursday. Well, tonight, I'm not going to cover any semiconductors except one, Nvidia. Tonight's presentation, we've had a Santa rally. It's been a slow grind, right? The VectorVest 7 software giving us plenty of warning signals. We got a confirmed down situation. We're in a primary wave down. I'm seeing red lights, but yet the NASDAQ 100, the QQQ, hitting all-time highs. That being said, this rally seems to be pretty concentrated. So tonight, I just want to keep you on the right side. So we're just going to break down the NASDAQ 100, the SPY, along with the VectorVest 7 system, take a look at our proprietary indicators, and just see how much steam is left in the Santa rally. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. Here we have the homepage of the VectorVest 7 software. And just a reminder, as you can see below, the Tampa event's coming soon. Make sure you register. You can enjoy the presentation free online or attend in person. Now, as far as the homepage, right, not much optimism. If you look at the Dow Jones down 78 points, NASDAQ down 51. Like I said, slow grind the Santa rally, right? Not much momentum here. You see the market timing gauge 3 ticks into the red. It's bearish, right? Therefore, that's why I'm not talking about stocks right now. Now is a time to really protect profits from the Santa rally. We've been talking about this since November, right? A lot of the stocks me and Glenn have presented to you, you're up in, right? Protect profits. Don't get too greedy. Enjoy the holidays with your family. Now, as we break down the color guard, 3 red lights, the trend column, right? The primary wave is currently down and has been since Tuesday, December 10th. You see the confirmed down situation given on the same day, 3 red lights. That's your warning sign, right? And as we take a look at the top RT sectors, computer, banking, and insurance, a lot of my videos have been about these sectors. And look, pretty mixed today. Computer up ever so slightly, along with insurance here. Bank taking a hit today, down 0.5%. Now, I know one day is not the trend, but the more I look at these top RT sectors, the less momentum I am seeing here. And it's shown in the color guard. You see the momentum of the market right now. RT relative timing coming in unfavorable at 0.95. Thus, the short-term price trend on the market right now is not in our favor. Therefore, it's not an ideal time to be swing trading and trying to expect some profits from a rally that's just not showing a lot of momentum. Here we have a chart of the QQQ. This is the NASDAQ 100, right? A lot of big tech, a lot of big names. We see the momentum pretty concentrated when it comes to the market right now. A lot of that concentration is within the NASDAQ 100. Clearly shown yesterday, hit a brand new high. Not only, but look at the equity curve of these 100 stocks, right? Lower left, up right. Momentum is there. So if you are going to be in the market, right, look at the NASDAQ 100, or you can just take a look at the QQQ and play the space in general. Here we have the SPY representing the S&P 500. Again, these stocks have been benefiting from this most recent rally. You can see the equity curve, lower left, upper right. Moving averages still in our favor. Even though the S&P did hit its high several days ago, kind of stalled out, but the buy recommendation is still there. The 3 above the 8-day exponential moving average. So again, a lot of momentum is concentrated right now in the big names. Now that leads me to the Russell 2000, the small caps, right? You see the equity curve? Yes, it has been participating, but look over the last few weeks, right? Price action is about where it was not too long ago, earlier in November 7th, right? And if we look yesterday, was the CPI data. CPI came in, it's rising, right? We had the interest rate cuts. Now CPI inflation coming back a little bit. And you can see not much momentum. The close actually lower than the open yesterday at 394 compared to 399 for being the open. Now, the 3 did cross below the 8-day exponential moving average. Therefore, I'm seeing the bullish momentum that we've seen in the low caps starting to wane over the last few weeks. Could potentially be because of the inflation data and strong sentiment in the market that the Federal Reserve only got 1 interest rate cut left in them. And that brings me to Nvidia. Here's Nvidia. We've had a nice run on Nvidia lately. But look at this. We see the upper trend line. Price action just broke below that. All the moving averages not in our favor right now for bullish momentum. Therefore, if you're in Nvidia, protect profits this holiday season. I do see better opportunities presenting themselves here in the near future. And this brings me to the VectorVest composite, which represents the broad market. Here in the VectorVest system, we're tracking over 9,000 stocks. So it just gives us an overall better representation of broad market movement. Now, the VectorVest composite represented by the candlesticks here, we do see price action channeling pretty range bound from about 73.95 up until about 74.77. We did get price action breaking out to the downside of that as of 2 days ago, the same day the primary wave was given down along with a confirmed down situation. Now, the signal I'm looking at is the DEW. This is an acronym, D for DPO or detrended price oscillator, E for the envelopes, and W for a 30-day weighted moving average. Price action sitting at 73.51. If we compare that to that weighted moving average, 73.60, it is currently below that weighted moving average. But if we take a look at the DPO or detrended price oscillator, we do have a little bit more of a buffer zone there. But I just want to give you fair warning, DEW, this is utilized by swing traders. I utilize it a lot for swing trading. We are getting warning signals from this right now, price action below that weighted moving average. So with DPO giving us that buffer zone, I'm a little bit more pessimistic than optimistic at this time. And that's why I'm saying tonight, focus on taking profits. Now, again, my name is Ryan. It's been a pleasure giving you tonight's presentation. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, so that way I can keep you updated going forward. Time to get excited. It's almost 2025. Hard to believe, right? I know. Now, VectorVest, we are proud to present our 2025 flagship 2-day investment seminar held in Tampa, Florida, January 10th and 11th. Now, you can visit that live stream. Just go to vectorvest.com/stream. I mean, there will be some great heavy hitters there presenting. We've got Glenn Tompkins, Ray Clark, along with Jerry D'Ambrosio, and special guest Les Mason.